Hello friends, welcome to Java2D tutorial. Now you are watching part 2 of the sub-series grayscaling the image. In the last video we learned about the grayscale concept and how the image is packed with the red, green, blue component. We also learned the difference between 24-bit image and 32-bit image. Here, as usual, if you see, we have a J panel. We will call this as a image panel. Then here we are having the button panel, or we can say command panel. So when you click the load button, it will load the image from the disk. We saw this multiple time. Then you can click the grayscale to convert the image into a grayscale image. After that, you can click the save button to save the image or the grayscaled image back to the disk. Alright, now we will go to Eclipse and design this dialog. So here we loaded our project. Now we will create our final example here. I'm right clicking new, other, JDialog. Name here I'm giving it as a G09. Grayscale image example, and uncheck this so that we won't get OK and cancel button in the dialog. Now we will switch to the design tab. So you need to install window builder component. This was already explained in one of our video. If you go to Eclipse Marketplace. So here is the window builder component which I already installed. So you can actually search for window builder and you can install that. Here you can search for the component. Once you install, you can create dialog like what I did. So you can choose a new, other, and then you will be seeing a new node for window builder. From there you can go to swing designer and create component as you like. Now let me go to source view and resize this dialog to our standard size 1000, and height, let me give it as 600. I'm switching back to design and setting the title as grayscale image. Then let me pick a J panel towards the bottom. Then let me place one more J panel in the center, and let me take this one layout. I will set it as a right layout as we did previously. We'll save and we will rename this as button panel or command panel. So naming is not required actually. Here we are not going to access this panel at runtime, do manipulation. So for easy readability purpose I am naming this. So now if you go to source, you will have some meaningful name in the component. So if you see here command panel, then image panel, everything will come like this. Now we will go ahead and add the controls. We need 3 buttons. So I'm naming it as a load image, grayscale image, and save image. So that's all required. If you need, you can run it once. So this is how our dialog looks. So just now we created the dialog. From next video onwards, we will proceed with the sub-serious steps. Thank you for watching. Bye.